Hello and welcome to My Man the Maker. We have another unboxing today. Looking forward to this one. I think that this is going to be compressor parts. So let's do our best to see if that's true in the shortest amount of time possible. China's been disrupted lately by a whole bunch of problems with Chinese New Year and also the Wuhan virus, so things are getting mixed up. Let's find out what's in here. Let's just see. We have a bag of boxes. Okay, well, what we're going to do is we're going to go through, and everything's packages and packages. So what I plan to do here is I plan to unpack each item, tell you why I bought it, tell you which project it's for, and tell you how that project is going to be accelerated by that particular item. So let's start with this. Item number one, which seems mostly empty. And what do we have in here? We have more packaging. Brake pads, excellent. So I can finally start putting Easy Rider's brakes back together because I now have the two brake pads that I needed to do the front brakes. So let's hope these fit. They look wonderful. And they finally arrived. Great, super. Two brake pads. Here's the next package. This is looking like electronic stuff. Better unpack this carefully. Okay, I'm thinking this is a bunch of electronics goodies. All in one big shot. Yeah. Okay. So what do we have here? We have a automotive light tester. So what this does is it enables you to see if there's power anywhere in the vehicle. It's a 6 to 24 volt tester, and what you do is you clip the clip to a ground point in the vehicle, and then you probe for power using the pen. So that's why I got this. It's for troubleshooting the Easy Rider and also for troubleshooting the Outlander. And then we have a bunch of alligator clips which I'm going to be using for a variety of different electronics projects, testing and stuff like that. They're pretty inexpensive, so I got a whole bunch of them. Okay, I'll put these to the side. So let's see what's in here. This box is well crushed. Okay. Aha! Well, I'm looking forward to this stuff. Let's go through it. These are all parts for lime, so let's go through them one by one, and I'll tell you what they're for. This little guy should screw into where that oil plug went. Here's the thing that I'm going to try to use to close the oil filler cap on the lime project. I don't know if it fits, but it was super cheap, so I got it. Here's a foot. A foot, a foot, and a foot. So we can actually put rubber feet on the lime, which will make it easier to use because it currently vibrates like mad when I'm using it because it's metal on the ground. Here's the air filter and muffler, which will be used on the air intake, and I'm hoping that these are the same size, more or less. And here's the filter that goes inside. It should be easy to install. Push and turn. There's already a filter in there, so I have a spare. Line up the tabs and then turn it, push and turn it back. Easier said than done. There we go. Filter, spare, muffler plus filter, spare filter, crankcase cap, 4 feet. And the other thing I got was a different type of impeller. I was wondering if this fan wouldn't be better because it's got shaped blades and the Lime's got straight blades, so we might be installing that later. Anything else in here? A little bolt, 2 little bolts. Those bolts are supposed to affix those things. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. I got another coupler. That's for the second project, avocado. And I got a bunch of nozzles because I was running out. So these guys fit in here like that. And I got extras for some of my accessories because I was running out. So that's what I needed to get oil, to get Lime up and running, but I still need the oil. So hopefully the oil is in the next package. So we got a fan because I would like to have increased airflow. 4 feet because I'd like it to vibrate less on the ground. 4 male couplers, 1 female coupler, an extra filter, a muffler and filter, and a crankcase cap. Pretty good haul. So, what's this? Don't know. Let's find out. Spring. I'm hoping that this can be the brake spring replacement for Easy Rider. Easy Rider's brake spring was completely rusted, and my hope is that these will be able to be used as brake springs. I'm going to give them a try. They were super cheap, so I got 4. I only need 1.
I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, giving me a like, and leaving me a comment. I really enjoy making these videos, and I want to know from you how I can make them better. The whole point of these videos is to demonstrate that if I can do something, you can do it too. Well, that's it for now. So long, and remember, keep making.